You're okay.
Hi, Nova! Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
No.
Why would you say hi, huh?
She was trying to grab your phone.
I love you. Hey, Kaylin. Hey.
Feel his legs now.
I know they're wet.
No, he had a cold too.
Oh boy. What you be doing, huh? He's like, I'm gonna ignore you.
Say, leave me alone. He was walking a while ago, yesterday.
I know.
Where's the Lindsay?
Here, Caitlin, can you hold this really quick?
How it works? Oh,
And point it towards you?
No, just hold it.
Ooh! Oh, it's a pretty sky!
No, he is a baby.
All the mosquitoes.
What's up?
A bunch of mosquitoes.
This is me driving.
You're retarded, too. Oh, come here.
You wanna go to her? Put your hands out.
and forget.
Put your hands out. Put your hands out.
He's like, I don't know.
Yeah, he's like, I don't know where to go.
Sick.
You see, I'll take pictures.
A videotape.
I'll take pictures, yo.
Videotape.
Joey, close the trunk.
It is close.
No, it ain't. Hey, don't do that. Josh, see if I can. Hey, look, it's Mama's keys.
Caitlin, shut up.
Chris says shut up, so shut up now. You shut up. Okay, don't pop the trunk again. It don't need to be popped. I farted.
That's nice. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Look at his butt. Look at his butt, Susan.